YouTube, what's going on? Hope everyone is having an amazing 3-day weekend, and I hope everyone is staying green within all the market uncertainty. If you haven't watched my videos before, I do a free giveaway one-on-one session, and I go over whatever you like, whether that be helping you improve your strategy, your trading style, helping you understand risk, whatever it is, I'll go over it, and we'll do a free 30 to an hour session, whatever it is. So in order to enter, just drop a comment on this video, make sure you like, and make sure you watch to the end. So I'm going to be doing the YouTube generator comment giveaway thing. I have the link right here to the previous video. I'm filtering duplicate users, and let's pick the winner. So here we have it. Mango Strong, you have won, and I appreciate the comment. Love the support, man. So make sure you DM me on Discord or Twitter, and I will get back to you, and we will set up that meeting. Let's get on to the video. So AMC, I'm going to be going over just a quick technical analysis video. No pumping, no dumping, just strict technicals. So here we have it. Let's pull up my chart. So here we have a falling wedge. Just remember, I am on the monthly, so this is a long time frame. So we have a super long falling wedge. We have that crazy parabolic spike to that 20 region. And now we're starting to pull back. But look, we are starting to flag. And if you know anything about technical analysis, after you break out, it usually retests. So that being said, a retest, right? That means we would come back down to here. But what I'm thinking is we bounce off this previous resistance, right? So we have this resistance was a support. So I'm thinking we come back down to that 735 region, or even that 871 region. So this fib level is from the bottom to the top, right? So swing low to swing high. If you watch my previous video, you know that. And the 618 is definitely an important level to watch, and we are approaching that right now. And remember, I still am on the monthly, but let's go into the 1-day time frame. So 1-day time frame, as you could see, the flag is looking pretty decent. We are starting to fall below it, but that doesn't mean that it is broken yet, right? So I am watching, right? So this line was the 618 level. I am watching this level, this previous support. So this area right here is going to act as a new support, that 893 or 9 region, right? Whole numbers or important numbers like that are very psychological support and resistances. So 9 can definitely act as a new support. And I'd love to see a bounce here back to the top right here. So if we can find some support, bounce up. We also have this declining volume, so we are expecting a decent rush of volume coming in. Let's check out the indicators. So this is the 1-day. This is the MACD and the RSI. These definitely can still use some sideways consolidation, right? We haven't started moving to the upside yet. We are in no man's land right here, moving in the middle, so we can definitely pull back a little bit to that 25 region. And on the MACD, we haven't started curling up yet, so maybe a little bit more sideways action before we get a move back to the upside. And we are on the 1-day time frame, so let me go down to the 1 hour and see what price action looks like here. So right, it still looks very similar. If we take a look at the smaller price action, we were starting to flag, but right, we started to break out to the downside. I'll draw that right here. So right, we were starting to flag. Right, something like that. We thought, we were going to bounce right here and break out, but now we're moving to the downside. So what could happen here is we could come back up and use this previous support as a new resistance, which that would be pretty ugly, and that would be very bearish, right? So we can use this as a new support, come back up, right? Fake people out, everyone's going to buy in, but it's going to use that old support as a new resistance and come back down. We'll retest, probably move sideways a little bit, and then fall back down below. Seen it a million times, and we're going to see it a million times more. So if you haven't been in the markets long enough, this is always what happens. So we definitely need to break this level once again. So to be bullish on AMC, I would really love to see a move over this 980 region. And why am I saying this 980 region? Right, we have this previous support right here, this previous resistance, and this previous resistance as well. It's all within that general area. So right, if I from here, this general region right here, so from, you know, around 10 to 930, this is the area that we're going to see a lot of resistance as well. Take a look at that volume profile level right around that 1015, 1030 level. We have a lot of volume within this region, so it's definitely going to act as a new resistance to break above. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you're holding. Let me know what you're looking at buying. And as always, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.